Our mind and body are the largest energy receptors in the universe. Through them, the spiritual world communicates with us, but the universe does not speak Spanish, and many times these messages come to us encoded in ways that we still try to decipher today. Ringing in the ears is one of your favorite signs, and it can be interpreted in different ways. If you have ever felt this, then you have come to the right place. Stay until the end so you know what it could be due to. One, fortune is approaching you. A slight ringing in your left ear may be the early announcement of a positive change on the horizon. You are on the threshold of something wonderful. Since this buzz is only a materialization of your good vibes, when you feel that buzz, embrace the excitement it brings. It's the universe whispering change to you. Embrace it and make it part of you too. Spiritual awakening. A ringing in the ear can also mean something bigger, a call that invites us to explore territories beyond the tangible. Have you stop to think about the way you see the world? This buzz may be telling you that it's time to open your mind and change the way you perceive the world. It is as if your soul is pulsing to the rhythm of higher frequencies, a symphony that only those who are about to awaken can hear. Your senses are heightened, searching for new signals that allow you to explore the wonders of the world beyond the visible. What you might discover on this journey may change your paradigm forever. So if this buzz occurs, consider this possibility. 3. Connection with angels or spirit guides. This hum can also represent a message from your spirit guides which reaches your ears. Encrypted, the short, loud, high-pitched buzzing is their way of getting your attention. They are reminding you that they are there and that there is possibly something in your environment that you may need to pay more attention to. It can be a threat or an opportunity. The truth is that you must raise your state of attention and notice unusual patterns. There is something around you that is out of the ordinary. This hum is a direct connection with the benevolent energies that surround you. Listen to their message and identify what is changing. 4. Imbalance between material life and spiritual growth. That soft ringing in your ear can also represent a friendly reminder that your soul is leaning toward the essential. It is as if your inner being is gently knocking on the door of your consciousness to let you know that there is an imbalance that needs your attention. This hum suggests an imbalance between your material life and your spiritual growth and invites you to take the reins to seek balance again. Sometimes we get carried away by the demands of the material world, work, possessions, and lose sight of the spiritual connection that nourishes our soul. Therefore, this buzz represents an opportunity to realign your priorities. It may be the perfect time to take a moment, take a deep breath, and reflect on what really matters in your life. If you hear it, then find a time to do all this. 5. Perception of higher vibrations and opening to new spiritual realms. That ringing in your ears may also represent a celestial indicator, a sign that you are on your way to discovering new dimensions of your being. It is as if your psychic abilities are taking a quantum leap, allowing you to tune into higher frequencies and open yourself to the vastness of the spiritual realms. This phenomenon may be indicating that you are ready to receive higher spiritual information. So the next time you hear that humming sound, feel it as a sign that you are expanding your consciousness and opening doors to new spiritual horizons. Your intuition is becoming sharper and there is no reason not to listen to it. 6. Big decision to make. Many times we find ourselves at important crossroads in our lives without even realizing it, but our body always conscious acts accordingly. In this case, this ringing in the left ear represents a call for reflection, telling you that there is a big decision looming on the horizon and that you should not take it lightly. It is an alarm clock for your intuition to get going, and it is very important that you do not overlook it, since facing this crossroads lightly can cost you dearly. Once you're faced with this important decision, you will be ready to choose the right path because the universe communicated it to you in plenty of time. 7. Negative energy in the physical world. If you feel a ringing in your right ear, your intuition may be tuning into a spiritual threat in your world. Something in the energy around you is out of place, and your mission is to identify and eliminate it. If you feel this buzzing constantly, it could even mean that this threat is very close to you, possibly affecting your own energy. It is important that you get to work and identify that negative element, and do not be afraid to take measures to clean and protect your space. Remember that harmony begins from the inside out. Listen to your heart, and you will be able to eliminate that possible threat without many complications. 8. Negative gossip. These buzzes cannot always be positive. Sometimes it also means that something bad is happening in our lives. In this case, it is a reminder that we must take care of our environment and that possibly not everyone around us is our friend. It's not about becoming paranoid or distrusting everyone, but it is an invitation to tune into your intuition and be more selective with the energies you allow into your life. You also have to be self-critical and open the door to the possibility that perhaps those negative gossips are justifying you to a certain extent. If you feel that you have given reasons for people to speak badly about you, take the focus off of them and focus better on yourself. Work on yourself and you will see how your environment improves on its own. 9. Electronic interference. Humans have never stopped evolving, and our ears are also sensitive to the digital age. Hearing a humming sound after a long day surrounded by electronic devices is a message that we should take a break, disconnect from the world for a while, and connect with ourselves. If you don't have work to do, turn off your screens for a while and dedicate your attention to something else. Read a book, go for a walk. Just doing it a few minutes a day helps nourish your energy. This type of ringing is a little more annoying than the rest, since it is almost like a symptom of digital poisoning. That is why it is so important that you take these tips into account. Only then will you be able to eliminate it. Plus, you will have many more moments of peace. 10. Kundalini awakening. When you feel this type of buzzing, it is as if your ears are tuned to the powerful energy is awakening at the base of your spine. It is a reminder that your body is vibrating with a unique and transformative energy. Have you been feeling more intuitive lately? Have you had thoughts and emotions that lead you to explore deeper Aspects of your being that buzz you feel may be a reminder that you should begin a journey of self-discovery which will help you open your third eye. When you achieve the latter, you access a higher level of consciousness, allowing for a deeper understanding of yourself and the universe around us. Additionally, the third eye represents the portal to spiritual experiences and inner visions. Those who have opened this center report a greater connection with spiritual dimensions, revealing hidden knowledge and a more complete understanding of reality. But of course, like everything in life, this Kundalini awakening must be handled with caution. This bar is the beginning of something bigger. Investigate more about the third eye and make the most of its qualities. 11. Psychic attack. The sensation of a low-frequency ringing in the right ear could be linked to the notion of a possible psychic attack, but don't be scared yet. This sign must be interpreted with great caution. Instead of giving in to fear, interpret this as a call to introspection and refine your discernment. The key in this case lies in using this sensation as an invitation to be more aware both of the energies that surround you and of your own thoughts and emotions. Do not see it as a threat. If you raise your consciousness and tune into higher frequencies of love, truth and authenticity, these psychic attacks lose all their strength. The opportunity to improve is always in front of you. Do not let psychic attacks affect you and work on yourself constantly. Personal development is the best shield in these cases. 12. Clairvoyance. Find it is very possible that buzz you feel could be related to clairvoyance, a psychic ability that allows one to receive information from higher realms through sounds. This phenomenon can manifest as a special connection with messages from angels and spirits. It is often associated with a strong affinity for music and in some cases can even influence a musical career. It may seem overwhelming to know this, but this quality has always been within you, and it represents a great opportunity. If you experience this sensation and it is associated with other signs mentioned, you may have a developing psychic ability. You can explore and cultivate your connection to higher spiritual planes, embracing the opportunity to receive intuitive messages and understand reality more deeply. The truly important thing, regardless of what signal you are receiving through your ears, is that you take it as a wake-up call that something is happening. This buzzing can represent more than one of these signals at a time, so try to work on all of these areas. Only then will you be able to keep your spirit aligned with your values. What do you think about this topic? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to support the Point Taken channel with your like and subscription. I also invite you to take a look at our other videos. I'm sure that more than one will be to your liking. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.